Hey folks, Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Before we jump into today's opportunity, let's just take a quick second and look at the disclaimer. Anything we share today is for information and educational purposes only. So the company we're going to look at today is Toyota, ticker TM, Toyota Motor Corporation, and we're going to take a look at the chart first. So you could see we had a very defined buying opportunity here. Trend dot came in, volume bar came in, supporting heat map came in, and this baby was just clear for takeoff, and it traded really, really well. Now listen, everything's great in hindsight, right? Well, we took this trade over at Big Energy Profits. I'm going to show you how it worked out. So let's take a peek and see how our members did at Big Energy Profits. So we had a averaged 14.59% return on the stock move, and we had an averaged 194.12% return on the option play. So we had a buy signal up to 156, and you could see the price danced around ever so slightly before it gained some traction and went in our direction. Now, we were in this trade for about 2 months, roughly 2 to 3 months, 12 weeks at the most, and we got in, I think it was early April, May, June. So yeah, about two to 3 months we were in this trade. So it didn't take very long to come to fruition, but we had the right option strike price. We had the right option timing, meaning expiration timing, to take great advantage of this. So the first half we took off at our first target, which was at 172. We had a 10.42% return on the stock and 111.76% return on that half of the option play. We took our final half off at 185 for 18.76 return on that 50% of the stock play and 276.47% return on half of the option play. So averaging them out, 14.59% again on the stock, 194.12 on the option. So this is how you set up a trade. You identify it, you enter it, you pick the targets, and you execute this. So with a simple trade plan that you can simply build and construct, find the discipline and consistency, you can do this over and over and over again. Listen, you only need a few 200% winners a year to change your life. Listen, imagine if you did this with 10 grand. It's life-changing. Even if you did it with 1,000, it's life-changing. So guys, if you do this over and over and over again, you're looking for 14, 10, 15, 20% potential moves on a stock can yield you that 200% return on investment in the options market. I typically, just as a full disclaimer, I typically don't buy stocks because I'm looking for a leveraged position. So if the trade does do what I anticipate it to do, I get that 194% return as opposed to the 14%. And it's more than 10 times the difference. So it's really, really significant. Never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. Guys, whatever you do in your life, physical fitness, your job, your relationship, listen, you don't need somebody to stand there and constantly clap for you and pat you on the back and tell you you're doing a good job. Do it because it's self-satisfying, it's self-gratifying. And you'll find that you'll gravitate away from looking for that acceptance and that continued support when you realize within yourself that you're proud of what you've done. So, do something because it makes you happy, it makes you feel good. Stop being so concerned about what other people think. They're in their own world, and you need to stay inside of yours, and really just focus on you because no one else is going to do it for you. People are so quick to judge, but never to step back and look at what somebody's gone through to be where they are that day. Now, guys, if you want to learn more how you can find your own trades, just like I did on Toyota Motor Car Company, there's a link below this video. It'll take you to the Project of eSwarm webinar. You'll learn all about the indicators that I use. If you want some access to me directly in the sense of me picking the trades and giving them to you, and this way you can learn from how I do it, you can visit me over at bigenergyprofits.com. And if you want both, you can certainly give us a call at 888-233-8598, and our support staff will get you set up with the indicators I use and with access to my service at Big Energy Profits. So guys, with that, I will wrap it up. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy, and I look forward to working with you. Have a blessed day.